Dialogue. This dialogue is between a father and a school administrator, Sophia. The father is asking about enrolling his son in primary school. The dialogue begins now.
Good morning. I understand you're interested in enrolling your son in our primary school. How can I assist you?
Magandang umaga. Naiintindihan kong interesado kayong ipasok ang anak ninyo sa aming elementarya. Paano ko kayo matutulungan?
Magandang umaga. Oo, ang anak ko ay 5 taong gulang at gusto naming mag-asawa na magsimula siyang mag-aral sa susunod na taon.
Good morning. Yes, my son is 5 years old, and my wife and I want him to start school next year.
That's great. We accept students from age 5. Does your son have any prior educational experience, like preschool?
Ayos. Tumatanggap kami ng mga estudyanteng 5 taong gulang pataas. May karanasan na ba ang anak ninyo sa pag-aaral, gaya ng preschool?
Oo, nag-aral siya sa isang kindergarten malapit sa aming bahay. Natutunan na niya ang mga pangunahing konsepto tulad ng pagbibilang at ilang mga letra.
Yes, he has attended a kindergarten near our home. He has learned the basics, like counting and some letters.
That's wonderful. Our primary program builds on those skills. Do you prefer morning or afternoon classes for him?
Ang galing! Ang aming primary program ay nakabatay sa mga kasanayang iyon. Mas gusto ba ninyo ang pang-umaga o pang-hapong klase para sa kanya?
Hey, if you are enjoying this content and would like to see more and support my channel, please hit the subscribe button.
Mas gusto namin ang pang-umagang klase dahil nagtatrabaho ang asawa ko sa hapon at ako ang makakapaghahatid sa kanya sa umaga.
We would prefer morning classes since my wife works in the afternoon and I can take him in the mornings.
No problem. We can offer morning classes. Now, you'll need to fill out an enrollment form and provide his birth certificate and vaccination records.
Walang problema. Maaari naming ialok ang mga pang-umagang klase. Ngayon, kailangan ninyong punan ang enrollment form at isumite ang kanyang birth certificate at vaccination records.
Naiintindihan ko. Nasa amin na ang lahat ng dokumentong iyon. May iba pa bang kailangang isumite?
I understand. We have all those documents ready. Is there any other requirement we need to meet?
Just one more thing. We also ask for a local emergency contact, in case we can't reach you or your wife during school hours.
Isa na lang, kailangan din namin ang local emergency contact kung sakaling hindi namin kayo o ang asawa ninyo makontak habang nasa paaralan siya.
Siyempre, maibibigay namin ang numero ng bayaw ko na nakatira malapit sa paaralan.
Sure, we could give you my brother-in-law's number. He lives near the school.
Perfect. Once you submit the form, we can schedule an orientation day so your son can visit the school before he starts.
Ayos! Kapag naisumite na ang form, maaari na tayong magtakda ng orientation day para makabisita ang anak ninyo sa paaralan bago siya magsimula.
Napakagandang ideya niyan. Salamat, Sofia. Sigurado akong magugustuhan niya ang paaralan.
That sounds excellent. Thank you, Sophia. I'm sure he'll love the school.